Good morning, everyone. Happy day after Christmas. I hope those of you that celebrate Christmas had a wonderful holiday. And even those of you who didn't, if you had the day off, congratulations and happy holidays to you too. Okay, I had a wonderful day with my family and very relaxing in the afternoon. And yeah, it was a good day. The beginning of the week, not so much, but that's a whole different story. So you're probably going to be seeing a little less of me um, after this week, especially because I am going to be preparing for next year and trying to get this craft room in better shape. It won't be 100%, but it'll be hopefully better. So stay tuned. And I'll be doing, in the meantime, I'll be doing some announcements about 2025 and sharing my plans. So watch for those videos as well. So I have done a little bit of year-end shopping. This is the first thing that came in, and it's from Peachy Cheap. It is from December 10th, but I just got it, I think Saturday. Yeah, December 23rd, whatever day that was, Monday, last Monday. And I've just had it sitting here. So all it is Little Birdie Paula mini flowers. And they are in, oops, let's see if they have colors on them. If Deb can even see them. Moonlight. Moonlight, sort of a pale cream with yellow centers. And Arctic Ice. How many pieces? 58. That's a weird number. Maybe it's 50. Let me get my glasses. Maybe that would help. Yeah, it's hard to wear them with my headphone on, but let me try that. Oh, I think that still says. I guess it's 50. 50? It really looks like 58, but I believe it's 50, even with my glasses on. Oh, yeah. Arctic Ice, Moonlight. This pack is called Candy Mix, reds and pinks. And then we have like I was going to call it blush. They called it pearl pink. These are all Little Birdie and they're all 50 piece. Valid palette, more brights, yellows, teal or turquoise, a brighter pink, sort of like that color, and sort of a rusty orange color. And then lastly, pastel palette. So again with the yellow, but then we have some blush colors and some lighter orangey colors, so those would go with those really well, and a light teal, like the lighter color in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. They were $12.99, but I ended up paying $3.99 shipping, so $16.98. So whatever 17 divided by 6 is, 18 divided by 6 would be $3, so less than $3 a pack. Probably about 260 or something. I don't know. Anyway, that's what I got from Peachy Cheap. I'm trying not to order too much from them, especially in their collections and stuff. I love them, a lot of them, but I have enough. I need to use what I have. And then for Christmas, my oldest granddaughter got me Ohuhu glitter markers. I actually had them in my save for later list on Amazon. She didn't know that because it's not a public list, but I tried them downstairs. Let me find a piece of scrap. All right, I'll do this scrap. Let's try pink. I tried the darker violet or purple downstairs. You do have to shake them and pump them just a couple times. But I love them. Thank you to Courtney. In case she sees this, she was asking me a lot of questions about what did I like to do now in crafting. Did I still like jewelry? What other stuff was I doing? So, very pretty. Maybe I'll do every other petal, or yeah, let's do two-toned. So pretty and glittery and very smooth. I will love these. And I told her Ohuhu is a good, pretty good brand I have found. I think this is supposed to be red, but I think I want to use orange. Pink and orange, like my 1970s young teenager bedroom. Maybe I didn't shake it enough. Here it comes. Let's just put a little orange on here. Now, remember, I am no artist at all. Never will be, don't proclaim to be. I just like to use mixed media stuff and have fun. And there's my lopsided flower. Pink and orange glitter flower with Ohuhu markers off the top of my pouch. Now I have 2 orders coming from Pink and Maine actually. They should be here Monday. I'll do a separate video for those as well. And yeah, I think that's it for right now. Very small haul. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.